Hey guys, it's Sarah. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I partnered up with the brand a $15 monthly subscription box for men and women where they send designer fragrances for you every month. I'm going to be talking a little bit about that as well as showing you guys as well. So yes, if you guys haven't already, please subscribe down below. Do not forget to click the notification bell to be notified whenever I post a new video because of course you don't want to miss out on any of them. And yeah, that's all I have to say. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so I'm super excited about this. A $15 monthly subscription box for men and also women where you get the luxury scent box sent to you every single month with designer fragrances. And what's good about this is you create your own profile and you answer a few questions on a survey, and that's when they can match you to perfumes that they think that you would really like based on the questions and the survey that you submitted, which I think is really amazing. So right here, this is what the box looks like. It's called the luxury scent box and it's so pretty. It feels luxurious and it's only $15 a month, which I think a designer perfume is around $60 to $100. Even more, it can be so expensive. So this is what the box looks like right here. It's a really nice luxurious box. It's called a luxury scent box and it looks so pretty. I really love how they packaged all this. I think it's so elegant and so classy. So when you open it, it has a magnetic little box and you open it up and it comes with a card. One tells you how to use the fragrances and how to open them up. And the other card tells you about the monthly subscription box. So it also tells you on here you can build your own fragrance calendar for months to come and it will ship 2 to 7 days prior to your billing date, which is really great. So you can go ahead and you can build your whole month's calendar of what perfumes you want to get sent to you or what kind of fragrances you want to get. So I think that's really great and really convenient as well. So this is what it looks like right here. Mine right here is a Versace and the other one I got Juicy Couture, and I added these all up and all together I would have paid $132 for both these perfumes together, and this box is only $15. So the first one I have right here, as you can see, is so travel size friendly. You go ahead and you twist it up on the bottom and that's when the perfume pops out and you can go ahead and spray it. I just love it. Smells so good. And to figure out what perfume you got, you can go ahead, take it out on the top, and it reads right here, Versace Bright Crystal. And then you put it right back in and twist it right back down. So it's really great. It's not going to spill in your purse like a normal perfume would. The lid can fall off, it can spritz, and it can leak. This one cannot because you go ahead and twist it up and twist it down. It's really nice and safe. And what's great about this, if you want to go ahead and purchase another one, you take this out and you can pop a new one right in there, which is really great as well. So again, this one is a Versace one, and this one retails for about $82, and I only paid $15 for this box, which is really great. The next one I got right here is this one. Again, you just twist it right up, it pops right out, and then you can just take it out to figure out what scent you got. This one is the Viva La Juicy. I love this perfume so much. This retails for about $42, which is so pricey, and once again, the box is only $15. So I think that is really amazing. Again, you just twist it right down and it closes. So I'll show you an example. This is my purse right here. This is a Michael Kors, and as you can see, it's definitely not going to fit a normal size perfume in there, but this I can go ahead, pop right in my purse, and it fits perfectly in there, which is so great because I absolutely love bringing my perfumes with me, but since they're so big, it's so hard to do. And if you're going to the gym, you don't have time to go home, take a shower, you can pop this right in your purse. Perfect for the gym, perfect for any place you're going. If you want to smell really good, if you're going on a date, pop it right in your purse. So easy. And it's also great for men as well. I absolutely love this box. I think it's so amazing and so worth your money, as paying 2 perfumes, like I said, would be $123 when I only paid $15 for designer fragrances, which is so amazing. This is such a great gift for Christmas, for anything, for Valentine's Day. I think it's such a nice gift as well. And I really love this box. I think it's a great monthly subscription box. I definitely think you should get your hands on it. And I also have a coupon code for you guys. Of course, if you use SaraStoy in all caps, I'll leave it down below for you guys. You get $5 off your first box. So your first box will only be $10, which is really great. So go ahead and check that out. I'll leave everything down below for you guys, as well as their website and all their information and the perfumes I got as well. So I think this is definitely worth it. It's a $15 monthly fragrance box for men and women. You get travel size fragrances, and I think it's so worth it. I really love it. I know I'll keep purchasing from there. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Again, I'll leave the coupon code as well as all the information down below. So yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!